I want to recognize her presence kasi talaga naman kahit sino, kahit kay ninong grupo, ang dami nitong natulungan. So hindi ko na patatagalin. Let's all welcome Miss Yes! Woo!
Well, do you know, by the way, that aloe vera has been known for 4,000 years? You know that? And aloe vera has gained so many names and so many palayaw. And I was so touched while the speakers are actually sharing their experiences. And they said, this is a gift from God. And sure enough, it is a gift from God. For some reason, there are so many cases I've handled, averaging probably 1,000 per month. Minsan, kinikilabutan ka. Tumatayo yung balahibo mo. Because a lot of them are incurable. And yet, despite the fact that they are incurable, we're able to successfully treat them. Now, I can't help but notice psoriasis. I always tell my patients, psoriasis happens to be my favorite case. Why? Because hindi na pinapansin ang psoriasis. Hindi na binibigyan yan actually ng attention. Because psoriasis is extremely an easy case. But do you know why it's called psoriasis? Sorry, as is. Hindi na siya curable. That's psoriasis. Minsan, I'm quite embarrassed. Na-embarrass ako to say this minsan, no? When I talk to some clients, and then they come in with psoriasis for 11 years, 20 years, 30 years, nasya-shock sila pag sinasabi mong gagaling. Because all doctors that they talk to will always tell them that it is impossible to actually treat psoriasis. That's why they become so advanced. But psoriasis with proper combination, with proper product combination, you can actually tell kung kailan siya gagaling. Ni Risa, she had psoriasis for 11 years. For 11 years, and for 11 years, hindi siya man lang nakapag-date. Hindi man lang nakapag-konti, alembong ng konti, hindi man lang. Kasi yung mukha niya, punong-puno yan ng psoriasis. A really bad case of psoriasis. Itong face niya actually, hindi mo siya makikilala, puno of flakes yan. It took us 3 months. Actually, sa 3 months na yan, masyadong matagal na yung 3 months sa atin. If we're talking of 11 years or 12 years, that should take 3 months. If we're talking of 30 years, that should take 5 months. If we are talking of 1 year, that should take around 15 days to 1 month lang ang psoriasis. No matter how bad it is. Sa 200 plus components ng aloe vera, may i-isolate sila na certain component. And this component is known as asimanan. Please keep that in mind lang. Because they believe that asimanan is the only component of aloe vera that does all the miracles. So that in the next 5 years, you will see variations such as products like Ambrotol. But when you look at it, it is just a one component of the aloe vera. When you look at the back, makikita nyo doon, aloe vera gel. Source is aloe vera barbadensis Miller. At ito ang imamarket ng tao, in less than 5 years siguro. So kapag nakita nyo ito, make sure that you look at the labels. Titinan nyo yung likod, makikita nyo, base aloe vera yan. And very soon, makikita nyo na rin lahat ng klaseng produkto made of aloe vera. The only difference is, they might be selling aloe vera by name, but never in component. That's why I'm quite confident na in the next 10, 20 years, walang magiging kompetensya ang Forever Living. Definitely, there's none. Again, I would like to repeat my request for us to respect aloe vera. Respect aloe vera and love the rest of our products. It's all worth it. Thank you.